First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create AI videos for Instagram Reels, start by choosing a simple idea that can be communicated quickly through visuals. Since Reels use a vertical format, plan your project specifically for a vertical screen. Begin with a strong opening scene that immediately captures attention. This could be a dramatic reveal, an interesting visual, a surprising transformation, or a character performing an engaging action. Next, divide your idea into several short scenes. For each scene, write a detailed prompt describing the subject, action, environment, camera movement, lighting, mood, and visual style. For example, you could create a luxury product scene where a smartphone rotates slowly above a reflective surface, while dramatic studio lighting moves across the device. Generate each scene separately and review the results. If the same character or product appears in multiple clips, keep its appearance, colors, proportions, and important details consistent. Use camera movements and transitions that work well for short-form content. Close-ups, smooth tracking shots, quick reveals, and controlled zooms can make the reel more visually engaging. After generating your clips, combine them in a video editor. Add a voiceover, music, sound effects, captions, and transitions where appropriate. Keep the most important visual information away from areas that may be covered